Hey yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Another package just arrived. And I guess it's a hair clipper for my children, you know. So let's see what's inside, you know. So one is the Scammy. It's Scammy 5027. And the other one, so let's see what's inside, man.
What up, DynaBliss? Joe, the remix, and the fashion. Joe, they call me Touch. Yeah.
Let's open. This is somehow a little bit different from what I've been unboxing. You know, this is the clipper, and it's called DynaBliss hair clipper. I hope it's good. And before I bought it, it was written 7,000 RPM, you know, so I hope it's good. It got lithium battery, you know, so you can also read the LCD, carbon steel and ceramic blade, charging base, you know, got a stand, you know, and very quiet, and got also 3-speed, so which is very, very good. It's a DynaBliss model HG2000. So this is what's inside, man. Yes. So we got 1, 2, 3 guards. Oh, okay, there are some here. Okay, this one's special. Okay, 3, 4, 5. You know, these ones are special. How many? Also, just one here. Okay. And got charging cable. So, with a stand. It's a really light stand. Lightweight, you know. So let's put it aside. So, what else? No scissors or something like that. Okay, they got a little brush also. No scissors. I was expecting scissors, you know. Okay, this is the bad boy. Yes, you see that? And it's a 0,8, not a 0,1. I would have preferred 0,1, you know. Okay, that's how it's looked like. And it got 10 watts and 600 milliamp. Okay. Okay, and it got turbo here, so I guess you can, yeah, you can turn this. Yeah, then it's 0,8. Wait, let's see. It's not bad. It's not bad, right? See that? Let me turn it. It's good. It's good. Yeah, and the last one here is 2 millimeter. Okay, so let's turn it on. And it's 180. So this is the first speed, I guess. The second and the third speed. It's not bad. Understand? I guess it doesn't mean which side. I guess it doesn't mean. It's just rotating. Let me try. You see that? It's okay. It's not bad. So you can easily take this it's like this, man. So peace, man.